African soft food rats. Peanut is on eye drops. I know this says for cats, but this also works pretty well for rats and has a bunch of skin growths on the belly, unfortunately. And then Oreo got his tail stuck somehow. Got his tail stuck. See where that is? In this. Like, we had to cut it to get his tail out, and I have no idea how he got his tail stuck in there. I mean, I guess there is a tiny opening, but I don't understand. Maybe I didn't have it locked all the way. So, we just gave Peanuts some of its H2O2, which is like an antibacterial, not to go in, like to go on them to try to help with anything that could be wrong for the bumps on his belly, and then eye drops for this eye right here. And we have them in this playpen right now. They're both losing weight. I think that Oreo might come back from this, but I don't feel as though Peanut is gonna be so lucky. I feel like this is genetic. We did have a problem with one of the other rats that I had that unfortunately passed away after getting an eye infection. We're trying to treat the eye infection and see if the bumps on the belly can be cleaned up, because it looks like he was scratching at them, and there's a little bit of dried blood. And also, I know I haven't shown any of the things that I've done, but I also, a couple months ago, I had to cut Mr. Oreo's teeth because they just started getting so long. I called a vet to see how much it would be to bring him in and to get his teeth cut. It would be over $250. And me, I don't have a job, can't afford that, so I decided to cut his teeth myself. And I do feel like Peanut has cancer or some sort of thing. I'm trying our best, but we're trying to take care of him here. So if you ever need to cut a rat's teeth, just use a cat nail clipper, a very small one. Have somebody's help with it, and you kind of want to cut it so that the animal can close their mouth. Won't not hurt them when it's being cut. And you have to cut it kind of in the inside of. You have to cut it to the inside, not the outside, so that they can still eat. And he did great after we did that a couple times. So if you're ever getting African soft food rats, just be prepared, especially if you don't know where they came from. For medical problems upon medical problems upon medical problems, as well as ridiculous things that could happen, like any animal. I feel like half of Oreo's tail is now paralyzed and he cannot move. So, if you're ever thinking about getting this type of animal, just know you probably shouldn't get them, because they're not really pets anyway, but these two are pretty good. I can handle them, give them what they need, eye drops and whatnot. It's just not going well. So, yeah, I don't even know what I'm going to title this video yet, but I'm just going to say these type of animals are just expensive if you get them and you do bring them to a vet. I'm going to keep monitoring them. I keep monitoring their weight, how much they eat, exercise level, and everything. I think a couple days of healing plus a couple days of what we're doing, eye drops and cleaning Peanut's belly, is going to help. It's been less than 2 days since I've rescued Oreo from his tail being stuck. I don't know what I'm going to do. The tip of his tail. Will it focus or not? tip of his tail, I think, is starting to fall off. Poor buddy. He has gained a little bit of weight. He seems to be in less pain, but I can't tell how much pain he's in. And I'm not exactly sure what I should do. I'm just trying to stimulate blood flow in his tail. This is the third time I've done this. I really don't think it's suitable at this point, and I don't really know what to